Hi, I'm Philip, founder of Oxypoint. I'm going to show you how to use the O2COMFORT flowmeter. In the first part, we will learn to use it in continuous mode. In the second part, we will learn to use it in comfort mode. In this first part, we will learn to use this O2COMFORT flowmeter as a classic flowmeter in continuous mode in 2 steps. Step 1. To put the flowmeter in continuous mode, just turn the selection ring completely to the left. When the arrow points to the continuous mode, you are there. Step 2. The continuous mode works like any traditional flowmeter you know. With the white button, you can adjust the flow setting as indicated on the torp tube between 0 and 15 liters per minute. Just choose the right flow by turning the white knob. The lines on the scale have to meet the middle of the floating ball. For flush flow, you can fully open the valve with the white knob. The flow goes up to 24 liters per minute. In this second part, we will learn to use this O2COMFORT flowmeter in comfort mode in 3 steps. Step 1. To put the flowmeter in comfort mode, first turn the selection ring completely to the left so the arrow points to the blue continuous mode. Step 2. Then adjust the flow to give 5 liters per minute. The ball floats in the circle indicating the number 5. Step 3. Select comfort mode 1 to 5 by turning the selector ring. Remember only to use the comfort mode for stable patients that can normally breathe through the nose, only with nasal cannula and no humidifier. This is also summarized in the drawings in the manual on page 8 and 9. Page 8 shows the continuous mode setting. Step 1, selector ring on continuous mode, and step 2, adjust the flow with the white knob and the ball. Drawing 3 illustrates the flush flow. Page 9 shows the comfort mode setting. Step 1, selector ring on continuous mode. Step 2, adjust the flow with the white knob and put the ball on 5 liters per minute. And step 3, choose the right comfort mode. Both on continuous mode and comfort mode, you have to do 2 more things after setting the therapy. The first thing you should do after setting is to verify the respiration. In the comfort mode, you can easily check if the patient correctly inhales through the nose in 2 easy ways. Firstly, you have the auditive control. This means you can hear puffs when the patient inhales. Secondly, you have the visual control. This means you can see the orange ball floating beneath the indicator line 1. Don't hesitate to ask your patient to breathe hard enough through his nose if you don't see this happen. The second thing you should do after setting is to verify the saturation on a regular basis. Do you need more assistance? Check www.oxypoint.eu or call the flowmeter hotline on +32 496 03 2776 for any questions. Good luck with your patients.